Hello, Peter here again, your Pinoy accountant. So in this video, pag-usapan natin magkano ba talaga yung penalty pag late kayo nakapag-submit ng mga inyong BIR inventory list. So, may nakapag-comment sa ating video na yung penalty niya daw is 10,000, yung iba naman is 5,000. So, gaano ba katotoo na ang penalty ay ganun kalaki? So, the answer is, that's a big no. So, yung basis natin dito is, it should be 500 pesos lang at may dalawa tayong basis. First is yung EOPT Act natin, nasa Section 45, letter D, and yung BIR RR 6-2024, Section 5 naman. So, basahin natin yon. So, again, this is applicable dun sa ating mga small and micro taxpayers. Ibig sabihin, less than 20 million yung ating annual gross sales. So, ito, basahin natin yung ating mga basis kung bakit 500 pesos lang yung penalty ng ating pag-late na pag-submit ng ating BIR inventory list. So first is the EOPT Act. So this is the Ease of Paying Taxes Act. And under Section 45, letter D, it says here, a reduced fine of 500 pesos as penalty for failure to file certain information returns as provided under Section 250 of the NIRC. So again, malinaw at nakasaad dito na yung fine or yung penalty natin if hindi tayo makapag-submit ng mga information returns kagaya ng BIR inventory list, yung fine niya is just 500 pesos. So, let's go to another revenue regulation issued by the BIR. So, this is the RR number 6-2024. Section 5 naman, imposition of penalty for failure to file certain information returns. In case of failure to file an information return, statement or list, or keep any record or supply any information as may be required on the date prescribed, therefore, a penalty of 500 pesos shall be paid for each such failure by the covered taxpayer upon notice and demand by the Commissioner of Internal Revenue. So again, malinaw at nakasaad dyan na yung penalty is just 500 pesos. So hopefully, nakatulong yung video na ito sa mga ating mga small and micro taxpayers, yung mga less than 20 million yung annual sales, gross annual sales, applicable itong mga provisions na mention natin. So again, my name is Peter, your Pinoy accountant. If may mga tanong kayo, just comment down below and huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in our upcoming videos.